All right, nursing students, let's talk auscultation. Because knowing what you're listening for can literally save lives. Here's the deal. Auscultation isn't just slapping a stethoscope on someone's chest and hoping for the best. The first hack? Always make sure the earpieces are pointing forward, towards your nose. Trust me, the difference in sound is huge. Next, warm up your stethoscope. Cold metal on bare skin makes anyone tense up, and tense muscles can muffle sounds. Just rub it between your palms for a few seconds. Now, location matters. For lungs, listen to the front and back, upper and lower lobes. Don't rush. Ask your patient to breathe in and out slowly through their mouth. This helps you catch those crackles or wheezes. For heart sounds, go through all 4 spots: aortic, pulmonic, tricuspid, and mitral. Start at the second right intercostal space and work your way down. Take your time. If you hear a murmur, switch between the diaphragm and bell of your stethoscope. Each picks up different sounds. And don't forget, bowel sounds. Listen in all 4 quadrants. And remember, silence isn't always golden. No sounds for a full minute means something's up. My best tip? Tune out distractions. Ask for a quiet moment, close your eyes if you have to. Focus on the rhythm, intensity, and timing of each sound. Finally, always document what you hear. Describe, don't diagnose. Was it clear, diminished, absent, or abnormal? Mastering auscultation takes practice. Every patient is your chance to get better, so don't stress. Just keep listening. You got this.